Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 18th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time, yes. Binary time. And this one will be number 8924. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13. Just 13. It's not a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I'm stuck. Oh, no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Yes! We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.